grade 3 Emarati syllabus. Today it will be resumed on unit 1. Last class I stopped on lesson 6. Today I start from 7 till 9 today. But before I will go to resume our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. The second time I tell you that this video for Emarati syllabus grade 3 first term unit 1 from lesson 7 till lesson 9. Let's go to our unit today, to our lesson today. Today I will start from lesson 7 about words and sounds. In this part of your book, we learn the vowels and consonants. As we know before, what is the vowels? Vowels, it will be A, E, I, O, U. This is called vowels. The consonant sounds is the rest of the alphabet. So what is the vowels? I would like to know A, E, I, O, and U. This is called vowel sounds. This is vowel sound. Okay. And the rest of the alphabet, it will be what? It will be called consonant. It will be consonant sound. Consonant sound. The rest of the alphabet, it will be consonant sound. This is called vowels and this is called consonants. Okay. Let's go to another item here in your book. Here we have the vowels at the beginning of the words. It's like what? Like here we have octopus. Here we have octopus. Octopus. I would like to write it in correct way. Here is called octopus. Octopus. It's called octopus. Here we say egg. Here we say umbrella. Here we say umbrella, apple, and ant. Here we have ant. All these called alphabets. Here we have ant. We have here octopus. We have here egg, umbrella, and apple. This is called vowel sounds. Let's go to another item here. Here's the vowels in the middle. Here is, say, a sentence in each picture. Here is hen, so I write hen. Where is the vowel here? The vowel here is in the middle of the word, like this. Oh, I can say the hen is inside. The hen is inside. Is inside. Or near. The hen is near. Near its eggs. I can say the hen is near its eggs. Is near its eggs. Its eggs. Okay, it's near its eggs. We say here the dog is running. Here is the dog. I say here the dog. I answered 2 sentences only, and I will leave the rest to do by yourself. The dog is running. For example, the dog is running. This is a sentence. Here we say the cat is in the books. The cat is in the books. Is in the books. For example, in the books. So here we have sentence. Here I say the hen is near its eggs. The dog is running. This is the dog. The dog is running. The cat is in the books. Okay. I tell you 3 sentences. I will leave the rest to do by yourself. Here we say the fish is swimming. For example, the fish is swimming. The dog is or here is not the duck. We say here the duck or the goat. No, not the goat. It will be here dog. The dog is walking, for example. Okay. Let's go to another one here. I say here, here I can say the dog is walking. Let's go to lesson 8. It will be here, time to practice. Here is, you can spell the words. You can say here the spelling. How to spell B? B-E-N. How we can spell cat? C-A-T. This is the spelling of this word. You can say sheep. S-H-I-B. This is called sheep. Shop. S-H-O-B. Dog. D-U-C-K. Cut. C-U-T. This is called the spelling, okay? Can separate the word to know how to write the words in spelling, okay? And I would like to say that the spelling is important, and we must keep the vocab to write the spelling in correct way in the exam, okay? Here we learn how to write the numbers in letters like this: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here is 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Let's continue the rest of the our unit, of our lesson. How many people are there in each picture? So we can I can count. I can count one picture, and I leave you to count the next one. Here is, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here we have 11 people in this picture. We have 11 people. So you say, can write it as 11 in numbers, and in letters written in this. I will leave this to do by yourself. And now I count one, and I leave you to count the next one by yourself. Let's go to to the last lesson here in this part of you. Here is, we talk about what? About possessive, about the possessive pronouns. I would like to know the possessive pronouns. Means we say, you can say the possessive pronouns like what? Possessive pronouns. Here is called possessive pronouns. We can say like what? This is my book. I say this is my book. This is my book. We can say this is my book. This is my book. For example, this is my book. I can replace my book by what? By mine. Mine here is called what? Is a possessive pronoun. This is called possessive pronoun. This is possessive pronoun. We can say it's her bag. You can say it's her bag. It's her bag. You can say it's her bag. I can say it's hers. I can say it's hers. Okay. So here this called what? This called possessive pronoun by adding s to the pronoun like this. Hers, like mine, and so on. Okay. I think now we know how to know the possessive pronouns. I think it's easy now to know. Okay. Here is in this picture, we have children are in camping and spending holiday. And here is the guide that we're telling them things. This is a bag yours. Is this bag yours? We say here, yes, it's mine. Okay, this person, this girl saying it's what? It's mine. Okay. Let's go to know more about examples about the possessive pronouns before I will give you the brief in the booklet. Here is to say, is it your bag? Is it your bag? Yes, it's is it yours? Yes, it's my bag. Or the yes, or replying by that is mine. Which bag? Which one? The red one. Okay. Here today we take lesson 7, 8, and 9. I would like to revise on this by in the booklet. I will revise it in the booklet. Let's go to here is the booklet that I would like to to revise what we took here. Today we took some vocab. Let's learn it together. Here we have in unit 1. Last class we talked about big case, book, pencil case, cupboard, author, contents. Here is fiction, skipping rope, non-fiction, shoes, characters, beginning, sports, dinosaur. This is the vocab of last video. Volcanoes, kings, book cover, bag, jacket, notebook, receipts, computer, dictionary, trains, whisper, chapter, camera, lunchbox, jumper, middle, have pencil, pencil. We have here hairbrush, story, and end. This is the vocab of unit 1. Okay. In unit 1, we talk about there is and there are, and we know there is used with singular form and there are for plural form. Today we learn the possessive pronouns like yours, mine, hers, and so on. This is called possessive pronoun. In this unit also we learn the adverbs of frequency of present simple tense, which is always, usually, sometimes, never, and we know the action that happened in 100% we use always, and in the action that happened that didn't happen, it will be 0% with never. Let's go to another item here. I would like to answer a reading comprehension here. Here we say, hi, I'm Mansour. I want to be a firefighter. I like to climb ladders. I wear a uniform and drive a fire engine. I want to help as many people as I can. Mansour looks to space people. To what? Looks to what? Looks to help as many. What is the best title for this text? Here is what I want to do. Here is what I want to do in this text. What I want to do. Here is the dialogue here. Let's read it together and answer the question below. Do you like riding a bike? This dialogue is between Malak and Amina. Malak, do you like riding a bike? Amina, no, I don't. No, I like painting and swimming. Do you like watching TV? No, Malak, no, I like going to park and playing sports. Malak likes to play at the space. Playing at what? Here is playing at what? Playing at the park. Here is, it will be here playing at the park. Playing at the park. What is the best title for this text? Going for a ride, my favorite sport, like and dislikes. It will be here. It will be here, my favorite sports. My favorite sports, not going to ride or dislike. Let's read the text, the next text. Here we have, birds are amazing. All birds have feathers. All birds have feathers and lay eggs. Most birds and nests. Some birds can swim and some can fly. Some birds can fly like penguins. All birds have space. All birds have, as we know here, have feathers. Okay, to be here feathers. Will be here feathers. Must know how to write feathers. Here is the best title of this text. It will be Amazing Birds. It will be here Amazing Birds. Okay. Today we stop here in this part. Now we end from our video. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.